guys, it's Jakey Crafty. It is the end of August, so I have a layout chair for you and a kit chair for How to Kill a Kit with Style. So there's actually a decent amount of my How to Kill a Kit with Style left. I did some working ahead, so I didn't focus on it as much, but I'm adding it to my September How to Kill a Kit with Style, and you'll see the rest of it tomorrow, actually, in my kit chair. But I wanted to show you what was left of the How to Kill a Kit with Style. So, and I didn't get to use it for some layouts because I have like random chunks like this that just, when I was following the sketch, it just didn't work. So I have this big chunk, tons of embellishments left, a lot of the sticker sheet left, another big chunk. These got added, ephemera pieces, a couple loose ones. Big chunk, big chunk, big chunk. Some tissue paper. I have this pink left over. And then all the ephemera there. And then this strip, which I don't know why I didn't use that anywhere. But, so with that stuff, I found these 3 random papers in my stash. And they go really well together. This is Crepe Paper American Crafts. This is the one that like everybody fussy cut the umbrellas. This one's Penelope D. And it says Mother of Pearl. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Glendolyn. Yeah, I've never heard of it. It's very neat. But these happen to be laying together in my stash of just loose paper. And I thought they'd go really well together, so I'm going to try to make a page with them. And this is Jen Hadfield Homemade. But I liked that side with that. So, anyway, random thought. But I'm just going to put this in there and the rest of this paper. So, this wasn't a huge kit, but I just kind of ended up playing with it. I didn't do a ton with it this month. I feel like I got a lot done. I'm not as caught up for September as I hoped I would be, but I have a little bit ahead, so that's always good. But anywho, I'm rambling. Let's show you what I have for projects that I created, and I can tell you which ones I created with my kit and which ones I didn't. One of my goals was to finish my December daily this month. I didn't finish that, but I'm super, super close. So I did do a few pages in that. But I'll wait and do a whole album flip through when that is done. Oh, let's see, where's mine? There it is. But I did finish the Lucky 7 Stash Bash class finally. So I did finish that, so that's exciting. Oh yeah, and I still have a bunch of the SCT sampler left, so. Some random things are just getting put in my stash kit, basically. Just things I want to use up. And you'll see that video tomorrow. So I'm going to show off some of these layouts. This I did for a May I Scrap Lift You, and I did it for something else. I don't remember, but I finally did. I only have 2 May I Scrap Lift Yous left, which is good too. So I'm almost caught up on that as well. I think I submitted this for a challenge, but I can't remember what it's for. This was a Lucky 7 Stash Bash. This was a Lucky 7 Stash Bash. And I think I submitted this for a challenge. This was my How to Kill a Kit. And it was a Tuesdays in the Attic. This was a Product Focus Friday. This was part of my kit, and then also I did for a layout challenge and the Dottie About Flair. They did a huge party in July, and I was just a little behind and wanted to play with at least this inspiration from Scrappy Kathy, I believe. That was part of my kit. This was Tuesdays in the Attic. Oop. This was my kit. And this was the Craft IQ challenge this month for August. Can't wait for September's. It's gonna be fun. I think this turned out to be one of my favorite layouts this month. It's just fun. I just love it. It's fun. I also did a May I Scrap Lift You, like I scrap lifted. I don't remember who at the moment, but somebody. This was for Confessions of a Paper Addict and all the pink things in shaker pockets for wings. This was a Tuesdays in the Attic, super fun. It's Confessions of a Paper Addict, and I'm using some of my Ellie Studio stuff. I haven't used some of that in a while, so it's kind of good to get some of that stash used. This was a Product Focus Friday. Love it. I'm gonna get these to glue down better. You should have seen this one just literally earlier today, but this was Confessions of a Paper Addict. Product Focus Friday. This was Lucky 7, and I used Product Focus Friday stuff. I used tons of fun stuff on here. Some color cast designs, did some ink blending, some LA Studio goodies. Yeah, some of these layouts are turning out really, really good. My Christmas and off the board layout for this month. Another Tuesdays in the Attic. And most of those should all have videos of some kind. This one's not. This was a Lucky 7 Stash Bash class page, and it turned out really cute. I did some layouts that didn't have videos, which is kind of nice. You got to have that me time, right? And then this was also Lucky 7 Stash Bash. The only thing, I didn't get one of my Lucky 7 items on here. My bad. But yeah. That one too. So I believe I did 28 12 by 12 layouts, and then I did finish... I don't remember. Did I just do one? That might have even been last month. Wow, in July I thought I was going to finish it. I'm on day 22. So I didn't even do any... No, I did Stretch the Sketch, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Stretch the Sketch was this. So I only did one page. So I'm on day 22. Just a few more to go. So that's a goal to get done. Try and get that done amongst all the Scraptember stuff that's starting tomorrow, you guys. It's going to be so much fun. There's going to be so many cool people and layouts and projects being created with the Scraptember and 30 Days of Sketches prompts, collaborating. You'll have to definitely check it out. I will be here, so you can come right back to my channel, or Christy and Laura Alberts or the Scrappy Sisters. They will all have things as well. So I'll leave you there, and we'll see you tomorrow for the first day of Scraptember, and I can show you what else is going to be added to my kit for How to Kill a Kit with Style. Thanks, guys.